Hello everyone. We are now starting second lesson of the crypto zombies solidity path. We have completed the first path in which we have seen the basic syntax of solidity, how we can create a smart contract. Now we are going to cover the second lesson in this series. So now let's start it. The name of the lesson is Zombies Attack Their Victims. Lesson 2 will teach you how to multiply your zombie army by feeding on other life forms. In this lesson, we will cover some more advanced already concepts. It's highly recommended that you complete lesson 1 before you start working. So let's get started. So that's the lesson 2 overview. That's the chapter 1. The lesson 1, we created a function that takes a human and that takes a name, use it to generate a random zombie and add that zombie to our app zombie database on the blockchain. In lesson 2, we are going to make our app more game like. We are going to make it multiplayer and will also be adding a more fun way to create zombies instead of just generating them randomly. How we will create new zombies by having our zombies feed on other life forms. Zombie feeding. When a zombie feeds, it infects the most with a virus. The virus then turns the host into a new zombie that joins our army. The new zombie DNA will be calculated from the previous zombie DNA and the host DNA. And what do our zombies like to feed on most? To find that out, we'll have to complete lesson 2. So now let's put it to the test. There's a simple demo of feeding to the right. Click on human to see what happens when you feed zombie. You can see that new zombie DNA is determined by our original zombie DNA as well as the host DNA. Okay. When you're ready, click next chapter to move and let's get started by making our game multiple player. Okay, let's click it. Let them eat it. I think yes. Okay. Let's try another one. Try another one. Okay. So there is this example how new zombie can be generated. So now let's move on to chapter 2.